Well, hello there, YouTube. It is, gosh, what is it, September 2nd. I have not ridden in over 2 months. It's just been so hot here. We've had an entire summer of, 105 to 110 every day. So, God, even on the weekends, we just stay in the house and, watch Netflix or something, and it's just been hot. But today I got up late, and I got up at 8 and it was 70 degrees, so it's a little warmer now, but it's not going to get too hot, so I have to go for a ride. I got a check engine light on. I've never had that happen before. Maybe because it's been sitting so long. Let's turn it off and see if I can turn it back on. There, it went off. That's weird. I've never had that come on before. Now my wife's car check engine light's always on. Now we got it fixed with a bunch of sensors, and then it's on again. It's got about 90,000 miles on. I got 95.5 on this Goldwing. It's amazing, and it still purrs like a kitten. Because I change the oil every 4,000 miles religiously. So clean oil is good for any vehicle. Don't let it get too old. Oh, I also I bought a butt buffer, so it's the very first time I'm trying it out. I used it on an airplane when I had to fly to California in August, so I'm trying it out now. I've always had like a gel or an air hawk, so I'm gonna try the butt buffer. Just got on. I gotta go get some gas, I guess. Let me go to, I think I'll go to Walmart in Greenville. It's usually the cheapest. I just like to fill up. Oh, this kind of went off for some reason. I put on long sleeve shirts and pants just so I wouldn't get burnt. I wouldn't get fried from the sun. Not that I need it because it's cold. Ooh, boy, that was loud. Ooh, a Corvette. Beautiful. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. I'll turn it on if I find anything interesting. Bye. Well, hello there again, YouTube. I'm taking a ride to Melissa, Texas. It's like 45 minutes from where I live. But they just built a brand new $35 million football stadium for a high school of 1,300 students. So I'm going to go check it out. It's opened. The first football game of the season. I got one game I'll schedule up, and I'll ride one of the motorcycles up here to do it. So I'm on my way up there. I don't know how far it is. It's just 45 minutes, but I got it on the GPS since I've never been there before. Well, here's Melissa's $35 million new stadium. I just came in, and the population's only 13,000. They got 1,300 students. This is really cool, though. I'll go check it out. I couldn't find the road to get in here. It's just one road. Got a big, huge jumbotron. This is just too cool. Check this out. This will rival most university stadiums around the country. Check it out. This is high school. I'll I'll go on the other side too. Oh, they got an indoor facility too for football. I think they wiped out all the baseball and softball fields over here from what I looked at. That's the back. I should have brought a drone. Didn't know I was coming up here though. Pretty cool for a high school stadium, right? This is kind of like Texas, but this is kind of the newer one. I think Allen's got a $65 million stadium that they built years ago. Melissa Cardinals. Check it out. Oh my gosh. I want to go back in there real quick. Take a peek in there before I go around the front. Yeah, check that out. That's pretty nice. That's a nice. I'm coming up here to shoot a game. This is going to be nice. This place is huge. Let me drive around the front. Look how nice that is for a high school football stadium. Goldwing's really slow. Uses a starter motor to back up. And if you're backing uphill with a trailer, you got to unhook it, turn around, pull it out. That's what I had to do. Let me drive around the front, see what this looks like. Whoa, check that out. 1, 2, 3, 4 stories. I'll drive back here and take a look so I can get a picture of it. There we go. Look at that. High school at its best. I'm coming up here. It's only maybe 36 miles from my house. So I'll come up here. I might schedule a game up here. Indoor football facility there for practice. They don't have to practice out in the heat. This is so cool. It's a beautiful stadium, brand new. They just opened it this year for the first football game last week.